How to find Synchrony support phone numbers fast. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up to find the right support phone number for Synchrony Bank without wasting time. So let's get started. So one of the fastest method is we can directly go to Synchrony website, and once we are here, we can scroll down to the footer section of the website. And here we'll be finding a section for customer resources, under which we can directly find an option called Contact Us that we can click on. Once we click on it, that should lead us to the Contact Us page of Synchrony Bank. And here, the space right here should list all the phone numbers by account type. So we have general for now. We can look out for the phone number here. Otherwise, we have consumer accounts as well. And you can use this contact numbers right here to contact them directly. This is the quickest way to avoid calling the wrong number. You can use this option right here. So here are different numbers that you can use in order to contact them. If you do not want to use the number, we also have an email option that we can use to send up a secure email and directly contact them. And that's it. This is one of the easiest way you can follow up in order to get their contact number. The phone number is fast, or you can directly visit their site instead of manually going out over to the website as well. So for now, we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more.